Okay, now keep silence and create the drawing. Okay, so this is my shape. The basic shape is like this. The basic shapes I draw over here. Okay, so basic shape is a oval. You should draw that two times, one for me and one for you, not three times. Okay, this is the basic shape. Only the pencil, yeah. I make the character with this. One for you, one for me, okay? So this is the basic shape. Not now, not now. You can later on you can do, okay? So this is the basic shape, okay? So I create here the character, okay? I create here. This is for you, this is for me, okay? No problem. Are you waiting, beta? Yes, it's okay. Take time, आराम से, okay? Yes. Yes, Raghavi, is this okay, beta?
It's seeing down.
What's up in this? Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. Done that much? Now I just create over here the eyebrow in top of it. Okay, here the eyebrow and here the eyebrow. Okay, this is the eyebrow and small nose. See, it's so fun. That character is nose like this, and make it. It's very funny, no? Yes, yes, yes. It's a cartoon basically. Funny face. See, this is a tongue. Like this. See, ear you are making here. This line, no, beta. This line, no. You can ear do like this. Here's the ear. Okay. Make the ear like this. Is doing like this. And make it little modify the shape like this. Okay. You can little modify the shape like this. You can create like little modify. Okay, like this little bit of circle to little modify. Oval to like this. Okay. Aram se little bit of. I yeah. Like this.
So should we make our own drawing?
Yeah, after my drawing finish, you can make your own drawing. Okay, beta?
Okay, so with this oval shape.
With this shape. It is shape for you guys. You are making your own ideas. Okay. So I do this. I make it now with the brush pen. With this,
Brush pen.
not brush pen. I just use it.
Oval. Dad, what colors we need?
Yeah, if you have a marker, you can use, or better, you can use the black color. You have a color, no? The crayon color. You are using brush pen too, or using the crayon color. Okay, so I'm making the final drawing with the marker. You guys are using the first. Okay, this is the final drawing, and I wish to make it the color now. First finish your drawing. Aram se. First finish the drawing. Okay. Take your time. Aram se karo beta. No, this drawing copy, but this drawing try to your own ideas. Okay. I make it here, but try your own. Okay. I make something here, some glass. I use some nose like this. Yeah, make it your own drawing. Yes?
I don't want to make any own drawing.
No, you should make your own drawing, beta. It is a creative things. If you make your own drawing, you can learn something new, beta. You should make your own drawing. One something else. Yes, beta, you can. Yes. Yeah. Try not copy. Try your own. Okay. I really like